person and to be among women.
To be at the opening session for the Techwomen Go Entrepreneurial. These are amazing women who have the technological orientation, but they're here now to learn a little bit more about entrepreneurship.
While you're writing it connects with your passion, that's it. Your character, your interest.
So, how many of tech illiterates like me exist outside? Probably a lot. Yeah. So that means you have to do a lot of explaining.
This is a project by Kelechi Van, and she got special funding from the US commercial section to not only advocate female technopreneurs, but to also ground them in being entrepreneurial. So it's called Techwomen Go Entrepreneurial.
What I hope to gain from the program is more confidence in what I'm doing, to have more in-depth knowledge of how to go about my dreams.
I believe that ideas, they change the world. They change how things go. And it's one of the things I specialize in, to look at, develop ideas from a value perspective. So being able to find women who can actually bring that to life using technology, using their mental smarts and all that is one major thing I was looking out for while coming here, to be able to network and learn.
My expectation when I come was actually to mingle with other women that are technologically inclined, because I've always believed that a space have not really been created for women in the technology field. And I was so excited when I saw this program, because this is always something I've wanted to do.
Number one, I want to be part of the winners. That's one thing that brought me. Number two is that I also would like to replicate this training in Niger Delta, where my office is domiciled presently. Number three is I share the vision of the tech women, and I want to be part of the team that will, spread it across Nigeria.
After going through this training, I've been able to learn a lot of things. It's quite informative and it's very interactive. I now know that there are better ways in which I can even grow my business, and there's no way we can remove technology when it comes to promoting rural areas.
Once you start small, there is a focus. If there's a focus to what you're doing, and then make that, most of you have heard of your minimum viable product. Yes, very important, because there's so many things that we can do with technology these days. In one conversation, you will find 5, 10 things that this thing can become.
An incident where someone hit me and my brother jumped into play Superman. I was really proud of him that day. I left the area with a smile on my face.
Sing for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to Precious. Happy birthday to me. Is that okay?
Okay, yes, I'm married. I met my husband in an NGO. We worked together, and we're both passionate about development and education, and we took it from there.
Sanguine can accommodate people. Because of our temperament, we like to see the good in everybody.
We're 4 girls. Initially, I had a brother, and my father was always around for us. It wasn't like the cultural thing then for an Igbo man not to play with the girls. My father always played with us. When he's repairing things in the house, he calls us around. We could fix irons, we could fix switches and all that. I can remember I used to check my father's car at 8 o'clock for water and oil.
From the top of my head, crazy thing. Crazy in the sense would be risk taking, going out, coming back from church, like after leaders meeting and everything, and it's like 1 o'clock in the morning, and it's school environment, and there's all that whole crazy, and I'm just walking, and I put my hand under my shirt like I'm padded, you know, and just walk past guys, you know, until I get to my house. And
so after writing, my business plan, I feel very excited, knowing that it was thoroughly done. And the only reason I could do that now is because of, the business development, the business plan training we had yesterday. So I'm really grateful to you for putting this all together. Thank you.
The United States, the founders of this occasion, the Department of State, they've done their bit. We have come here, we've done our bit. You have heard. The issue is, what have you done with what you have heard?
Thank you, Techwomen Go Entreprenuerial.
Wow, I want to say a big thank you to the organizers of this program. I've really benefited. I've been able to meet new friends and network, gain knowledge.
I think 2 words, basically: insightful and exciting. Fantastic.
I would say interesting.
Epic.
I would say it's an innovative way of bringing strong women together.
It's been quite interesting. I'm privileged, and I say thank you so much for the dream. You made my own dream happen. Thank you.